But something big was coming.
One hot afternoon, disaster struck.
In a bright jungle full of life, there lived a young parrot named Pico. But Pico had one problem. He couldn't talk. In a world where parrots were famous for talking, this made him different. Hey, Pico! Say something!
Pico opened his beak, but no words came out.
A silent parrot? That's useless.
The jungle burst into laughter. Pico looked down, heartbroken.
Every day, animals showed off their talents.
Birds sang, monkeys joked, parrots talked. And Pico stayed silent.
He tried again and again.
But no sound ever came out.
One night, he sat alone on a branch. Tears rolled down his feathers.
A wise old owl watched from afar.
Not all voices are heard through words. Pico didn't understand, but listened. The next day, the teasing continued. Even young parrots laughed at him. Pico stopped trying to speak.
He decided to stay quiet forever.
But deep inside, he wanted to belong.
He just didn't know how.
One day, Pico noticed something.
The animals needed help. Everywhere.
A rabbit struggled to carry food.
Pico helped silently. Oh, thanks.
No laughter this time. A monkey dropped fruits.
Pico picked them up.
Helpful bird. Day by day, Pico worked quietly. He fixed nests. He gathered food. He helped everyone. Whew, without a word. Slowly, things began to change. Animals noticed his kindness. But still, no one truly respected him. He's useful, but still weird, they said. Pico didn't mind anymore.
The owl watched again.
You're finding your voice.
Pico smiled slightly. For the first time, he felt proud. But something big was coming.
One hot afternoon, disaster struck.
A fire started deep in the jungle. Flames spread fast.
Smoke filled the air. Animals panicked.
but many didn't know where to go. Paths were blocked. The jungle turned into chaos.
Pico saw everything from above. He wanted to warn them, but he couldn't shout. Then he remembered something.
He guided animals toward the river. He flapped hard, signaling danger. He carried water in leaves. Animals started following him.
Follow Pico.
For the first time, they trusted him. Pico risked everything.
He saved trapped animals. The fire slowly faded near the river.
The danger was over. The jungle was safe.
And everyone looked at Pico. The silent parrot had saved them all.
We were wrong about you. You're a hero.
They admired him. Pico didn't say a word.
He didn't need to. His actions spoke for him.
The owl flew beside him.
Now they hear you.
Pico looked at the sky. Peaceful, proud.
Finally belonged. Not because he talked,
But because he cared.
the jungle changed forever. No one judged differences anymore.
Everyone had value. Everyone had a voice.
Even if it wasn't spoken.
And Pico, the silent parrot, became a legend.
Sometimes the loudest voice is not heard with ears, but felt through actions.